Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a birthday to Google Calendar. This is a great way to keep track of important dates and never miss a special celebration. On your Google Calendar dashboard, to add a birthday, all we need to do is click the date we want. For example, let's say it is April 25th. We just need to type the event name. For example, friend's birthday. Google Calendar will automatically treat this as a birthday. Once we're done, we can add a guest if we like. We can also put in any details here and add more information if needed. We can also choose a color, like green, and save it. Now we can see it will show the birthday on the calendar. It will appear on the date we selected, so April 25th will show as our friend's birthday. And that's how we add a birthday to Google Calendar. With just a few simple steps, we can stay organized and never forget the important days.